Hey, Mick's got another nice bass on.
Yeah, Gary, like the second week up here, I thought the fishing may have slowed down, but it's actually got much hotter. These smallmouth just go crazy, and with this northern Ontario heat, oddly enough, it's sent them into a feeding frenzy.
And it has been hot out here. There's a good sized one.
Got this one on a perch-colored thunder stick. 6-pound test line.
You just don't want to give up, do they?
No. It's full of fight up here. I think we met this guy.
They're not that big. This is 3 and 4 pounds. Seems to be a common size we catch here, 3.5 to 4 pounds. Yeah, lures in the net.
There we go, another prime example of a healthy northern Ontario smallmouth bass.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.